Welcome to the evening commodity market update. Let's begin with gold. International gold prices edged higher on Friday as uncertainty surrounding the Iran conflict and the outlook for US interest rates kept investors cautious. Bullion is on track for its first monthly gain since February, supported by softer than expected US inflation data for June, which eased concerns over an imminent Federal Reserve rate hike. MCX Gold opened higher and extended the previous session's gains, but failed to sustain at higher levels, indicating profit booking near resistance. The immediate resistance is placed at 1,44,500 rupees. A decisive breakout above this level could trigger further upside towards 1,45,500 to 1,46,000 rupees. On the downside, 1,43,000 rupees remains a crucial support, and a break below it could erase the gains of the last two sessions. Now moving to crude oil. WTI crude oil prices slipped on Friday as crude exports from the Persian Gulf increased despite renewed military exchanges between the US and Iran and escalating regional tensions. Both global benchmarks remain on track for weekly losses of more than 8% as optimism over renewed peace talks earlier in the week continued to weigh on market sentiment. MCX crude oil opened lower but recovered most of its early losses, reflecting buying interest at lower levels. The overall bias remains positive, favoring a buy-on-dip strategy. A sustained move above 8,100 rupees could extend gains towards 8,300 to 8,400 rupees, while immediate support is seen at 7,750 rupees on an intraday basis. Finally, let's look at nickel. Nickel traded around $17,300 per ton, hovering near its highest level in more than a month. The metal has gained over 5% this month, supported by persistent supply concerns in Indonesia, the world's largest nickel producer. MCX nickel continues to gain momentum, but is facing a strong resistance at 1,675 rupees. A breakout above this level could confirm a short-term bullish trend, opening the door towards 1,700 to 1,710 rupees. On the downside, 1,600 rupees remains a key support level. That's your commodity wrap for today. Have a great trading day ahead. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.